Hi, thank you for coming to Simply Jubilee. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about this incubator that I just picked up from Tractor Supply. It's the 4250 Pro Series, and so far it's looking like a pretty good purchase. It can hold 41 eggs. It has the automatic turner, so that rotates every 4 hours. These are all chicken eggs and they fit fine. I think it will easily fit our duck eggs as well. And of course we have quail, so I think it'll easily fit those. Right now it's still bringing it back up to temperature, but you can change this. The default setting is 100, so I just left it. The default for the days is 21 as well, so I left that. Humidity, they recommend for this machine to be between 50 and 60% for the first 17 days. So as of right now, it's maintaining that pretty well. There are plugs on the top, like little vent holes, so you can open those if you need to release humidity. And if you need to increase it, you add water down here. I mean, it's basically just a styrofoam box. Has a plastic outing, so I mean, it seems relatively sturdy. I've heard good reviews from my friends. I'll keep you guys updated. Just to show you who I have down below here. We had a little quail who hurt her wing, so she's been inside. She likes to sing quite a lot. Also the little bunny, some finches, and soon some baby chicks. I'll talk to you guys in 7 days when we candle the eggs.